Slow down.
Hi guys, welcome to my channel. If you're new to the channel, welcome to my channel. It's Deborah Kruger here, and today we're going to be doing a beginner workout, mostly for the core and some arm work. Of course, other muscles do get involved, but that's the basic principle of this workout. So let's get started. Here we go. So the first exercise is going to be circles. Here we go. We're going all the way around, come down, bend your knees, and lift it up. Around, down, and lift. Around, down, lift up. This is 3. Around, down, lift up 4. Around, down, lift up 5. Squeeze your glutes as you come up and your thighs. Around, down, up for 6. Around, down, up for 7. Around and down, up for 8. We're going to 10. Around and down, up for 9. Around and down, up, that is 10. All right, good so far. So for the next one, we're going to raise our elbows to the side and we're going to circle our arms around. So keeping your elbows as stable as you can, make a circle. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We're going to 12, 10, 11, and 12, and back the other way. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. Good. All righty, so the next one, we are going to bring our arms up and close them. Open and close, open and close. Bend a little to the side, open, close. A little more, open and close. A little more, open and close. And once more, open and close. And now lift up at the waist and we'll go to the other side. Open, close, little bit lower, open, close, and open, close. And lift yourself up. Open, close, close. We're doing 4 to each side. This is 4 and lift. Open, close, close, open, close. Try and make sure your top arm is next to your ear if possible. Do the best you can. Open, close, close, open, and close. Lift yourself up. Beautiful job. So far, doing great. All right, so the next one is we're going to press our hands together in front of our chest. While they're pressing, you're going to turn your elbows so one is facing ceiling, one is facing floor. Then we're going to turn to the other side and the other elbow's up and the other elbow's down. And back to the right and left, right, left for 3. The arms are the only thing moving. Right, left 4, right, left 5. You may be able to go higher on one side than the other, that's okay. Right, left 6, right, left 7, right, left 8, right, left 9. Make sure to breathe. 10, right, 11, and right, that is 12. Very good. Bring our hands next to our shoulders in front. Palms are facing forward. We're going to press out, press out. Just shoot your arm out and out. Out, 3, out, 4, out, 5, out, 6, out, 7, out, 8, out, 9, out, 10, out, 11, and out, 12. Now we'll do both of them. Push out and in. Out, 2, out, 3, out, 4, and 5, 6, and 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Perfect, doing great. For our next exercise, we're going to have our arms up. We're going to take our pointed fingers and drive it down. Lift your elbow up and now drive it down in the back. Lift the elbow up, down in front. Lift the elbow up, down and back. Up, front, up, back. Up, front, up, back. Up, front, up, back. Up, front, up, back. Two more. Up, front, up, back, and up, front, up. That's the last one on that side. Switching sides. Raise up the elbow and dive it down in the front. Lift it up and in the back. Up, front, up, back for two. Up, front, up, back for three. Up, front, up, back for four. Up, front, up, back for five. Up, front, up, back for six. Up, front, up, back for seven. Up, front, up, back. That's 8. Very good. So, the next one we're going to do is similar to what we do with legs, with a pointed hand, meaning our fingers are straight out. We're just going to lift, lower, lift, lower, lift, down, up, and down, up for 3, up, down, up, that's 4, up, down, up, that's 5, up, down, up is 6, up, down, up, that's 7, up, down, up is 8, going to 12, down, up for 9, up, down, up for 10, up, down, up 11, and up, down, up for 12. Beautiful, and just like we do sometimes with our feet, we're going to flex it this time at our wrist. And we're going to do the same thing. Taking it up, squeeze your whole arm, and up, and up. Up, that is 3, up for 4, up is 5, up, 6, up, 7, and squeeze, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, up, 11, and up, that's 12. We're going to the sides. So with a pointed finger position, we're going to lift the right and the left. Squeeze the arm, up, up, that's 3, up, 4, up, 5, moving just from the shoulder joint, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, up, 11, and up, that's 12. Second set is going to be with a flexed wrist, squeezing the whole arm and the wrist. So your arms are flexed. We're going to take it up and up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8, up, 9, up, 10, up, 11, and up, that's 12. Perfect. When you do each one individually, it's a bit more advanced. Even though this is a beginner workout, I want it to be somewhat challenging as well. Do the same thing with our legs that we just did with our arms. So point your toes, bring your leg out in front of you, right out of the hip joint, and lift 1, lift 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, toes are pointed, 7, support leg is slightly bent, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Switching sides, lifting up, 1, 2, 3, and 4, just the leg is moving, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Next up, we're going to lift with a bent knee right in front. So we're going up for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. If you do need to hold on to something, you can. Sometimes we don't hold on because it's a balance exercise, but right now we're working the muscles. So if you need to hold on, you can. And the other side, here we go, up for 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Now we're going to point the toe and lift to the side, lifting 1, and 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Other leg, here we go, point it, 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. And just like we did going forward, we're going on the side. We're going to take the first leg, bend it, and lift it. Here we go, lifting 1, 2, lifting 3, and 4. Try to only move your legs. I know it's difficult. 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, and 12. Other side, here we go. And 1, 2, 3, and 4, 5, and 6, 7, and 8, 9, and 10, 11, and 12. Beautiful. Onward, here we go. We're going to come down to the mat, and first one, we're going to go on our elbows and forearms, and we're going to put our feet together. We're going to take it in, up, down, and out. In, up, down, out. Let me turn. Make sure you can see me from all different angles. In, out, up, down. In, out, up, down. In, out, up, down. 5, in, out, up, down. 6, in, out, up, down. 7, last one, out, up, down. 8. Perfect. Again, this is beginner, so we're stopping at 8. Now we're going to keep the feet together, and we're just taking it out and in. Out in 2, out in 3, out in 4, we're working hard. 5, out in 6, out in 7, out and in 8. Terrific. Take a quick break. Take a sip of water. Shake out your legs. Scratch your head. Whatever you need to do, you have 15 seconds to do it. All right. Next one. Feet again together. This time, we're just going up and down. So here we go, up, down, up, 2, up, 3, up, 4, up, 5, up, 6, up, 7, up, 8. Mwah! Beautiful job. We are finished. Kaput. Done. Finito. So, I hope you enjoyed this workout. Again, it is a beginner. If you feel that you're getting more advanced, you can do it a second time. We are limited here to 15 minutes. I may even have to cut some of this out, but hopefully you get the gist of it and you can do it on your own as well. That's the benefit. If you're traveling, you can pull this up on YouTube and finger bottom boom, you have a workout. So, again, thanks for stopping by and working out with me. Please like, share, and subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you can get my next video. And until then, hope you stay safe and well, and mwah, love you. Bye, guys.